We're gonna make it some battery cables. Cut this little piece off. Pulls right off there. Wrap, get a little bit right there. Get your little terminal in. Go ahead and put it in there. Get her started. Stick that in there like that. And then you're just gonna pump. But you make sure that's tight. That's just gonna crimp it. She's crimped. We're gonna double crimp her because this one here, this thing's bent actually. There she is. We'll cut them little strands off. This ain't even this is an old wire I just happened to do just to show you.